Before Albert Einstein changed everything, his status was that of a misfit. He was reported to lack discipline, was rejected by universities, and worked as a patent clerk, Class 3. While the smartest scientist debated equations, he worked in silence. This is Albert Einstein. Welcome to episode 4 of Idiot or Genius. Albert Einstein, the slow student who rewrote reality. He was not the kind of student schools rewarded. He questioned authority, ignored memorization, and resisted structure, often seen as lazy and defiant. He graduated without distinction, and no university wanted him. Instead of lecturing students, he examined patents on clocks, engines, and electrical systems. To the academic world, his career had already peaked, but the patent office gave him something universities couldn't: time to think, to imagine. He asked questions that sounded childish, such as, what would it feel like to ride on a beam of light? Or, what if time didn't tick the same everywhere? These weren't practical questions, but dangerous ones that challenged the foundation of physics itself. He wasn't running lab experiments. He was running thought experiments, using no lab equipment or funding, just imagination. And these led him somewhere no one expected. The year 1905 was his miracle year. A patent clerk with 0 labs published 4 papers addressing the photoelectric effect, Brownian motion, special relativity, and mass energy equivalence, or E equals mc squared. He wasn't refining physics, he was replacing it. His work meant that reality was no longer fixed. Time slows down, lengths shrink, and energy becomes matter. At first, many physicists dismissed it as abstract nonsense. He wasn't refining physics, he was replacing it. Newton's laws had ruled science for centuries. Others quietly realized something terrifying. The foundation of reality had shifted. His genius came with a cost. Worldwide fame brought sudden recognition, cameras, crowds, and adoration. Yet private isolation caused relationships to fracture, and brilliance did not make life simple. He felt isolated, even at the center of attention. E equals mc squared led to an unintended consequence. It became the foundation of both nuclear energy and nuclear weapons. The man who reshaped time and space watched humanity struggle with the power of understanding too much, too fast. What do we make of Albert Einstein? A poor student, a misfit, and an outsider whose ideas reshaped the universe? Or does his story expose something more troubling, that our systems are terrible at recognizing intelligence? Albert Einstein didn't just change science, he changed what it means to understand reality. So tell me, was he an idiot or a genius? Vote and explain your reasoning.